Me go clap it up, cause them hurt my feelings.
What the jungle, dunga, bungo, dunga, one. Blaze Dan, I'm a lot the place, you know. I'm the best comedy.
Alright, so who's next? Big up me artist. Hey man, settle down. Why nice for? Oh, so you're Mr. Quada. Oh, you're the pan we listen now, so let me see some papers, my boss. Alright, so respect Mr. Quada. So, tell me one thing. So Quada, why you leave your first job?
Me go clap it up, cause them hurt my feelings.
What you mean by that? You mean you clap your hand? How much that I mean? Cause I could nothing else. Yes, so one more thing, Quada. You know, say you have to work in a group car. You know, say teamwork make the dream work, you see me?
Me no like see people, so me no go in a dealings.
But yeah, if you work in a group in order for you complete the work, you know? But never mind that. We can find one different placement for you. You don't have to worry about that. Alright, according to what, upon your application, you see a para loan. What you mean by that? Please, explain.
Me no laugh with the upper class, nor get bad mind when them a floss.
Oh, now me get it. Oh, so you no like stay around bad people, yeah man. A good move that still no. Me rate the part we are take still no. You see me? Yeah man. That fig one still, you see it. So, Quada, watch this. So if a friend a make more money than you, and a boss for you, what you would do?
Can't draw me out, so I stay in my lane.
You know, see, you are the best candidate so far. So tell me, why you so humble? I want to know, you know, what is the secret? I need to take some jottings to myself, because I need some of them.
Don't see how mankind meds already. Vanity make everything temporary.
You know, see, you are a good youth, Quada. I know, see, I give you work. I go give you work, man. You deserve it. I tell you, you're a good youth. I'm tell you that, you're a good youth. You deserve your work, man. Tell me, I tell you, man. Alright, so the paperwork done. So forward in Monday morning at 9 a.m. sharp. Don't be late. Just forward in early. Alright? Can you get your work?
See, bro.
Me general. Big up yourself, my boss. A good youth, you know. Yeah, a good youth, man. A good youth. Alright, guys, you have made it to the end of the video. Make sure to subscribe, click the post notification bell, and thing you see it, and press all. Forget every video when me upload on the channel there. You see it? Yeah, man. Big up on yourself. Drop a like on the video too, you know. Don't watch the video and drop a like and leave a comment below. And make sure to share. Click the share button. And share to a friend them. You see it? Big up on yourself. Yeah.